You are tracking your steps in the US. But when did your dad or mom in India last do a health checkup? Most of us talk to our parents once a week. We hear I'm fine and assume it's true. But diabetes, BP, thyroid issues, they don't give warnings. By the time you visit, it's often too late. You may be wondering why health checkups matter. Number one, prevention is cheaper than treatment in India. It's rupees 5,000 to 8,000 rupees package versus lakhs for cardiac, stroke, or cancer care. Baseline matters. If you ever need to fly them out or handle care remotely, doctors need past reports. Peace of mind for you. You sleep better knowing their numbers are normal. You have them with you longer. They live to see you grow. They are happier and healthier. Isn't that great? My dad avoided health checkups and never did one. Though I was working in hospital sector and he in central government where he had all the benefits. He had no drinks, no smoking, pure vegetarian food, regular exercise, lean and healthy body. He was the Iron Man of our house. One fine day after he was 60, we compelled him to get a health checkup done. And you know what? He was diagnosed with stage 4 cancer with 90% secondaries. Barely a year to left to live. He had dreams of writing books, having a CA concern, traveling, all shattered in one day. If he had health checkup done earlier, he could have diagnosed and gotten rid of the cancer. He could have lived longer with us, been healthy and happy. Reason we feel the guilt is that his father, that's my grandfather, had cancer. So all the more reason for him to get the health checkup done, right? Because it's a hereditary disease. Okay, coming back to you, the problems you face. The distance. You can't see subtle changes in their weight, breathing, energy. Their body changes, their mindset. Hospitals are only for sick people. They are too expensive. We don't have time. Delayed diagnosis. By the time you visit, small issues become big ones. Diabetes, BP, thyroid, kidney, liver, cancer issues are all silent. So, how do we make things easy? Book it for them. Use Practo, Apollo 24 bar 7, Tata 1mg. Most do home sample collection now. Pick the right package. Don't go for the 25,000 executive or costlier ones unless needed. Even 5,000 to 8,000 covers 80% of what matters. Set an yearly reminder tied to birthday, Diwali, or any special day, or even January or December, so that we remember the days, the month to do the checkup. Get results on WhatsApp or email. You review with them on a call. Offer to pay. Many parents refuse due to cost. Remove that barrier. Find a familiar doctor. If they trust their family GP, have the GP review their reports. Okay, it is much easy for me to say get them to do the health check. How will you talk to your parents without a fight? Simple. Make it sentimental. Attack them emotionally. Amma, this is not because I think you are sick. I want to keep you around for my kids' weddings. I am doing this for my peace of mind. Can you do it for me? Message me and I'll share with you list of reliable home collection labs in India by city. Save this video and send it to your siblings. One person can't chase parents alone. If you have done this for your parent already, drop what worked in this comment or message me through WhatsApp.